Hey y'all, it's your girl G and I'm back with another video. Today we have JJ's Fish and Chicken. I found the powder recipe and it is literally like crack, so let's get into it. First I'm going to start off by seasoning our chicken, and for my first seasoning I'm going to start off with some onion powder. And to engage some of my ATL folks, I'm going to go in with some lemon pepper. Then I'm going to follow up with a whole lot of smoked paprika. I love the taste of paprika on my chicken. Then one of my favorite seasonings, I'm going to go in with some Creole seasoning. Next I'm going to go in with some garlic salt. Now for our catfish, we're going to follow up with some of the same seasonings, and I'm using some garlic salt. Next, we're going to follow in with some Old Bay. Now we're going to go back in with some onion powder. Then we're going to come back in with that lemon pepper seasoning. Now for extra flavor, I'm going to go in with a fresh lemon and squeeze it all over the catfish. In the bowl, I have 1 cup of flour, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of Zatarains fish fry. I'm also one of those people who like to season my batter a little bit, so I'm going back in with just a tad bit of Old Bay. Now, if you don't season your chicken batter, what are you doing? We're going to start off with some onion powder. Then we're going to go back in with our smoked paprika. Then back again with our Creole seasoning. Then coming back with our lemon pepper. Then we're going to come in with some black pepper. Now we can't forget about our garlic salt. Then we're going to take our whisk and mix all of our seasonings together. Then do the same for our fish batter seasonings. After beating 3 eggs together, we're going to dip our fish in there. Then next we're going to take our fish batter and mix our fish all throughout the fish batter. Then it's time to drop it in that grease. Now we're going to fry our fish until they're nice and golden crispy, and I recommend about 10 minutes. Now we're going to repeat the same process for our chicken and making sure that it's nicely coated in our batter. Now I'm going to toss each piece of chicken and let it cook for about 12 to 14 minutes. Now on to our JJs seasoning mix. I'm going to start off with about 1 cup of Zatarains fish fry. Now we're going to come back in with some lemon pepper. Then for tasting purposes, we're going to go in with some salt. I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance, y'all. I love to OD on the lemon pepper, so I'm breaking it back. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, and I also meant to mention when selecting the Zatarains fish fry, make sure it is lemon seasoned. Alright, now y'all, we have JJ's Fish and Chicken G style with a side of 5 cheese mac and coleslaw. Go ahead and turn up your fish Friday with this recipe, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.